Introducing the Palomar Sound Prickly Pear. A dual drive featuring identical gain stages tuned to stack well together, the Prickly Pear can be sweet and tangy or meaty and chunky, all while letting your amp and guitar shine through with minimal coloration. Simple, intuitive controls and true bypass for each side make the Prickly Pear the perfect grab-and-go dirt pedal for compact rigs and travel gigs. Check palomarsound.com for dealer info and snag yours today. Palomar Sound Prickly Pear. Double up.